All right, stage three. So this week for your focus on reading strategy and your reading response activities, we've been looking at the strategy of summarizing. So I know yesterday we looked at the big five and we looked at the chart is over here. And we know we pulled apart the text and split it into those five sections to make it a little bit easier to pull out those main and vital bits of information in order for you to keep the meaning of the text but be able to summarize it in a more condensed and shortened version. So once again, we're doing an activity like that based around a text, but it's going to be just a slight variation of what we had yesterday, just to make it a little bit different, a little bit more interesting. So this is the table that you're going to be looking at today, and you can see down the left-hand side, it is color-coded. So in green, you're going to highlight in the text who is the main character, and if there is more than one, I would like you to highlight all of the names of the characters that are involved in this piece of writing. In yellow, you are going to highlight what did the character want to do, and in purple, what was the problem? Blue, how did the characters try to solve that problem? How did they try to work together in order to find a solution? And then the very last one is going to be either pink or red. And what was the resolution? Now, not all stories necessarily have a resolution or they fix the problem, but you still need to work out how the ending of that story or that particular piece of writing was formed. So today you're focusing on this text and it's called Tia's Tantrum. Okay, so I want you to read through it once and then I would like you to focus on reading through it a second time and thinking about these 5 things that you need to work on highlighting once you have read it through twice. So once you have done a second read of this text, you are going to use your highlighting tool, which is at the top. And for some reason, I can't see it on my toolbar at the moment. I don't know if it's because I'm in screen share mode, but will be a little highlighter tool at the top of your Google Slides, and I want you to click on it and find the color that's closest to these colors down here. Now, I would like you to highlight the characters with a green highlighter, and you're going to go through the text, and if their name's more than once, you might like to highlight it more than once. And then you're going to flick back to this slide and work down through the colors. Now, once you have done that, I don't want you to just leave it like that as highlighting. I want you to then put those highlighted parts in your own words in this summary down here, and then I would like you to type it in. So that's going to condense all of your big 5 into a shortened summary version of this text right here. All right, off you go, guys.